Hey there, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from any image using Photoshop. I'll show you two tips today so you can easily remove the background from any kind of image. So let's get started. Look, this is how my image looked before. You can see I've removed the background here. So how can you remove the background so beautifully like this? Let's not waste any more time and get started. First, I'm clicking on this image. This is how it looked before. See, this was our image before, just like this. Now you can do this in two ways. You can remove it. So first, take any image you want. After selecting the image, go to Select and then Subject. See, it's loading from Subject. Check if it has auto-selected or not. Now carefully mask it. Click on the specific mask. Your background will be completely removed. This plain layer that is below, let's gently hide it. See, the background behind us has been entirely removed. You can clearly see it. So there's another effective method. Another way is look closely. I meticulously select this. Then after carefully selecting, you can observe there's the object selection tool. Take this precise object selection tool and click directly on the face. It will automatically create a distinct layer of this particular image. Now, after creating it, you'll see a prominent mask. Click on this very mask. Click on the mask and see our background is completely removed. Now, if we look at it in the background option, you can truly see how beautifully and seamlessly the background has been removed. One method, two methods, see? So you can effectively remove the background like this. Let me show you one more example. Suppose you have an image. From here, you might not be able to easily remove the background. Let's also click on the mask for this. See, automatically a layer is created all around the object. Now, if we use the object, see, the background is removed. You can clearly see it. So you can remove the background from any kind of image in this manner. To get more informative videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. If you liked our video, please kindly share and like it. Thank you very much.